Now what?
And Daddy goes.
The garage.
Helmet.
Dad wears a helmet.
Goes.
He wears gloves on his hands.
Goes.
Seeing Dad leave for work and come home from work is a big part of Ravel's day. We watch out the window. He opens the garage. Beep, beep, beep. Yeah? Yeah, we went to the park and you went on the slide a lot.
Sand.
We played in the sand and you got a lot of sand in your diaper.
Food.
And yeah, you were barefoot.
Red.
And what? You were barefoot in the sand? Did you play with some other little kids? Yeah, you played with some kids. You went on the swing. Then what? Sand.
No.
You did a lot of digging with your shovel. Yeah, your shovel and your bucket. And you shared your toys. Was that fun? It was fun in the sand. Well, that's a pretty good story.